review is another big important part. Again, I'm very kidding with you, and I'm always saying, I'm very serious, by the way, that if the review is, then this one is very important. Okay, sorry for that. Review is another menu in Microsoft Word to cover. After you finish the document writing or creating something in your Microsoft Word, and then finally you should review that because of maybe spelling check or maybe read aloud or maybe something else like comment or maybe track some changes or maybe comparison is available in review, and review can help you with that. The first option is spelling and grammar check. For now, there isn't, of course, anything, but if you write, for example, car, I type it wrong, so there you go, and I click in here, so it says car is wrong. What do you want? And here is the suggestion, car, care, and there is another word. For example, I meant car, so I can click, and then the word is done. So that's the main purpose of spelling and grammar check. But another thing is also important. Car, for example, car is a beautiful machine, and vehicle, I'm gonna just say. So right now there are very things that are very wrong. Vehicle, and then also there should coming up like this shape. Okay, there's two line. What does it mean? It means it has grammar problem. So beautiful, we meant this one. Now machine, there's two comma, so I'm gonna bring one comma. So that's about two errors in here that we already know how to do with them. So that's about a spelling and grammar check. Treasures is a dictionary, and it'll work through the internet, not offline. Finally, we have word count and the proofing group. Word count counts how many words does exist in your page, like pages, words, characters with spaces, paragraphs, lines. All of that is available in here for you. We have a speech as well, like read aloud. It reads aloud for us. So there you go, it read aloud for us. It said machine. So that's about read aloud. So you can select all, and then it read. Yeah, there you go, it reads for us. Check accessibility is the same as this one, so there is no difference. We can also translate some selection of text or the whole document. We have language proofing. For now, there's English, but you can select any other languages for proofing. But for now, there you can see it doesn't check mark. There isn't any check mark for my next extra language. Anytime you want it, so you should really search this on the internet, your language, your name language, and then yes, it's language, not right like this, language. And then and then it says proofing, okay? Proofing for Microsoft Word. You should search this on the internet and install the application. And once you install it, then you will have the check mark in here. For me, that's only English is available. And also you can come in here and go to options and go to the proofing. Go to the proofing in here, and then going to the somehow custom dictionary. Oops, not in here. Let me see. Languages, sorry. Go to languages, and here you can see Persian doesn't have any proofing. So you can click also on it, and then you can download the language from it, and then you can learn, and then you can it's proofing available. Once you install it, it's gonna be checked mark, and it's gonna work for proofing that language as well. We have comment, we can delete our comment, previous comment, next comment, and show comments as well. For now, it shows the comments. We have also track changes, like track changes, log tracking. You can do that as well. Now, this was possible also in here, in info, but these things are different, okay? Like restricting editing, restrict access, these are different. But this one is also different. For example, if you track change and someone comes in here, they change something, so there's coming up a new line. And then you can say simple markup or all markup or no markup or original. So the original was like this, and once the person changed, they deleted the vehicle. Of course, you can turn off the track changes as well. Now in here, you can see the changes, accept or deny it. I'm going to accept it. Now it's accepted. And then again, accept it, again, accept it. Now the change has been accepted. You can reject, of course, as well. We have reviewing pen as well. In here, we have lock tracking. Okay, you can lock that and here like password. Finally, we have comparison, comparing with document, or we can combine two revisions from multiple authors into a single document as well. We have also restrict editing in here, and finally we have hide ink. That's possible also in here in Microsoft Word.